What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on and turn off game mode in your Hisense Smart TV. Now this is the Vidaa Hisense Smart TV, and for you to turn on and turn off game mode you have to go to the settings at the top bar here. Now click OK on the settings icon. Now you want to go to picture settings. Now scroll down till you get to game settings. Now usually this settings is disabled by default, and for you to activate it you need to connect your game console to the TV, to any of the HDMI ports in the TV. So once your console is connected, you want to click on the input icon on your smart TV. So this is the input icon, you just click on it, and then let's say you connected your console to the HDMI 1 port of your TV. So you just have to click on HDMI 1. Now what you want to do is to click on the menu button on your remote control. So in my remote control it is actually found here. You can actually see the menu button here. So once you click on it, it will open up a small menu on the TV. So I'm just going to click on mine now. Now you can see the menu bar here. So once I go to game mode, I can now turn this to on or to turn it off, or I can leave it on auto, which enables the TV to automatically detect when a console is being plugged into the TV. Now what you have to note is that whenever the game mode is turned on, the TV is optimized for gaming, such that the picture quality and even the refresh rate of the TV is being optimized for gaming. So basically that is how to turn on and turn off game mode on your Hisense Smart TV. If this video was helpful guys, please make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.